Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change column width and row height in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So simply open the Microsoft Word. Now first I'm going to make here columns. So simply click on Insert tab and here you can see the option of table. Click on table. Now select the lines and rows how much you want. And here you can see our column is created. So to increase the width and row height, you have to simply click here and here you can see the new tab table tools appear. So simply click on layout and here you can see the option of height. So increase the height and here you can see the option of width. So you can see we have increased the width and row height. So you can also increase the width and row height by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.